What is it you did that's got everybody's tongue wagging except mine? She said I had an unhappy love affair. So I said, was it one of my doctors? And she said, no, it was your priest.
Colonel, you must understand, she's...
Civil authorities have issued a mass hysteria warning for the following counties: Essex County and the following cities: Salem, Andover, Topsfield. Accusations of witchcraft have begun to circulate, leading to widespread panic. Remain civilized, and refrain from resorting to violence in the name of justice. This matter will be handled in due time. Do not be fooled by mass hysteria. The claim that there are witches in Salem is
true. Do not believe them. Do not allow your faith to sway. Goddamn small liars.